Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Kia Carnival, then you're going to need trailer wiring. It is required by the law. Now let's take a look at how I completed this install. You will need to provide the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. Begin by lowering the underbody panel on the driver's side of the vehicle. We will remove 5 trim clips using a flathead screwdriver. We can now gain access to our wiring, remove the cover on the tow package harness by depressing the tab and pulling it off. Now insert your new wiring harness. We want the quick connect of our 7-way where we're going to mount it on a bracket. So we're just going to pass the wire loom behind the fascia. We will install the socket and bracket, and then we will come back and secure this wiring after we're done. This 7-way bracket is not included with the kit, but you can pick one up at your nearest local U-Haul hitch center or order one from the link in the description. It does come with its own hardware. However, I prefer using a rivet, so let's drill out 2 holes using a 3/16 drill bit. Pass your quick connect through the bracket and connect the socket. Press gently, do not force it and bend any pins. Now use the hardware provided with the bracket to secure the socket. Now tighten with a Phillips head screwdriver and 10mm tool. Install the provided 15-amp fuse. Secure the converter box using double-sided sticky tape. Use the long zip tie to wrap around the fascia bracket to zip tie the wiring in place. You can also zip tie to the bumper sensor harness, securing the remaining slack. Now let's replace the underbody panel. Be sure to go over the carpeted fender trim and insert it into the underbody panel. And return your clips. That concludes the 7-way wiring installation for your Kia Carnival. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to practice safe trailering, and I can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.